Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to check the airdrop of Immutable X, the new zkEVM. This is your next big airdrop that you can apply right now, and the airdrop is confirmed with all the rewards. Like always in my videos, we are going to cover it step by step on everything that you need to do in order to get all these rewards and this airdrop. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well, this is a very anticipated airdrop. We have been mentioning in my private Discord from a while, we have been already talking about that, but today I bring you the tutorial to the YouTube channel. So Immutable is conducting a reward program for users who join quests, play games, and own collectibles. First, you need to join the main quest and collect daily gems. Then you will play games as mentioned on the rewards page to earn additional rewards. The exact rewards for joining the main quest campaign have not been revealed yet, but you likely will receive AMX tokens as reward. Also, complete Immutable zkEVM to earn game tokens and unique in-game NFTs. So the important points about this airdrop and why I say this is your next big airdrop. So we have the snapshot confirmation layer 0. We have scroll on the way, we have zkSync on the way, so this is your next big airdrop to do. And because you will need to use the immutable passport for a better result, I think it's not going to be super farmed. It's going to be difficult to farm this airdrop with multiple wallets if you don't have different email accounts and social media stuff. And also the rewards are not so easy to get from a whale's perspective, so you need to do some effort to participate on the airdrop. That is why I think it's a great opportunity to participate on this airdrop. So important points about this: the airdrop is confirmed by $50 million for this airdrop. Here you have the link for the Twitter account that confirms that. This is from the official Twitter account of Immutable. So you will be basically exploring quests, playing games, owning collectibles, and doing a couple of more things to get these rewards. The other important thing is that Immutable is one of the biggest gaming blockchains right now with 3.5 billion in market cap. So this token is very valuable. I have been accumulating for this bull run. Right now it's at position 38 at the value of $2.25. And in March we reached almost the $3.64. So this is a great opportunity to start getting and accumulate this token for the next bull run that in 2021 reached $9.31. So yeah, this is a very great token to hold for this bull run. And again, position 38 of the crypto space is one of the biggest or the biggest gaming blockchain in all the space. And another important thing is that Immutable has disclosed funding of more than 322 million. I think possible they have more funding than that, but that is what is disclosed. You can check that at CryptoRank. It's a very useful tool. So you go to the fundraising page and you can see the total fundraising is 322, but in December 2023 Framework Ventures also started the strategic investor part here, but the amount of this is not disclosed, so probably they have more than 322 million in funding at this point. So all this information make this airdrop a very important one to apply. Now let's go directly to the step-by-step on everything that I could research that you can do to get the best position for this airdrop. The step one is that you need to get your immutable passport. There's a way that you can join here with only your wallet with your MetaMask, but I don't recommend that. I recommend to go and create your immutable password. It's really easy and use it. I think it's going to be important for this airdrop to do that. So the first step, go to passport.immutable.com. So from here you just need to click sign in. You can connect authorizing your Gmail account, for example. So with your email you are going to be able just to join very quickly to the immutable passport. So once you enter, you are going to see a dashboard. So your passport has this dashboard. Here in wallet you can see your immutable zkEVM wallet and you have your immutable X wallet too. Now in step 2, in your immutable password dashboard we need to do a couple of things. Under external wallets, you can link your MetaMask. Under wallet, immutable zkEVM, you can click add coin and buy more EMX tokens directly on your zkEVM. So I did that and I recommend you to do it too. And under rewards, you can check the cards and try to accomplish those things. So basically, like I mentioned, external wallets, you can go and link your MetaMask wallet. I already did with this one, for example, for this account. This wallet is only for the purpose of the video, are not my real wallet. Now you can go to wallet, like I mentioned, and in immutable zkEVM here, you can click on add coin, and besides swapping, moving and bridge it, you can buy. So if you have Google Play here, you can buy directly that with your associated card. Of course, there will be no KYC, but I recommend you to buy some tokens. For some reason, I think this could be important. So I bought a little bit just to be able to interact here on the pass. You can also in inventory, you can import your wallet. In games, you are going to be able to play in the games here. That is something that you will do after. But like I mentioned in rewards, you are going to see these cards. These cards, you need to click on them so they can flip, and you will get real important clues of things that you need to do. For example, get bonus gems for holding AMX. So being early is rare trade. So you can click it here and you're going to be redirected to some place that is important for you to make action. So we are of course going to cover this right now, but don't miss these cards. Do everything that you can do in terms and around the cards and hints that you have here. And in settings, you can click here and show your address. So you will have your immutable zkEVM address here to share if you want to receive tokens, for example. So once you have your AMX in your passport, so in the step 3, we go to the toolkit of Immutable, and here you will be able to swap, to bridge from another sources. So that is important. You can wrap your AMX and use all the tools that the application has there. This is a very important point. So once you are here, you can see in balance, I bought some AMX. So what I can do now is here on swap, I can select from my AMX and I can swap with Ethereum, for example. So if I select to AMX, I will receive some Ethereum, so I can swap here with my AMX. Of course, this Ethereum is going to be in immutable zkEVM. Remember all that, don't confuse the network. Then you have fast bridge that is using layer swap. So from here you can also send funds, for example, Ethereum from Arbitrum 1 into immutable zkEVM. So this is a way, if you don't want to buy, you can use this bridge to send Ethereum here, and then in the swap you can swap Ethereum for AMX, or you can send AMX into your wallet directly. You have your wallet on the point before, so you can see your immutable zkEVM wallet and send AMX directly there. And also you have the Ethereum bridge. So all this bridge, I recommend you for you to use it. So you can send from MetaMask to immutable passport, for example, or vice versa. And the buy coin section I already mentioned before on the step before. CX deposit, you can find your immutable zkEVM wallet coins from your central exchange too. So you can use these tools. And again, you can transfer coins, for example, selecting some of your tokens here. You can send it to a destination address. You can transfer NFTs if you have, and you can wrap AMX if you want to. So I recommend you to use everything here, guys, especially the bridge, especially the swap. Try to use that a couple of times, but I have to say that all these actions are not confirmed to get points and to get airdrop. So this is part of my speculation, but I think the immutable toolkit is going to be very important to use now that you have your immutable passport too. Hey crypto fans, as airdrop hunters and crypto enthusiasts, we are constantly in risk of being scammed from protocols and people that want to drain our wallets and enter into our computers. That is why we partner with proxy sellers for our proxy services. And the great about their services is that you can select many crypto-friendly countries, and you can even mix a package of different countries for your proxy services. You can select many of the different proxy options, including your residential proxies. And it's super easy to get it. You just select the country, then you can put the amount of proxies that you want. Let's say that I am farming with 10 wallets. Just click on buy, and here on redeem code you can put a referral CCS15, and you can see how the price downs a 15% for all these proxy services and 10% for residential services. So don't wait anymore. Be safe as an airdrop hunter and crypto enthusiast, so you are always in control when you are online. Use our CCS15 refer code, and first link in the description is your link to get your proxies with us and proxy seller. Now after you did all that, we go to step 4, which is get your daily gems using your passport. It's a gas free and could earn you more rewards. So amx.community/gems, that is the website for that. So once you are here, you need to connect to claim, and remember, you can use your immutable passport, which is recommended, or if you did all the steps only with your MetaMask wallet, you use your MetaMask wallet. But it's easier, and I think it's more important that you get and use your immutable passport. reward. So once you are connected, you can click a button here and you can claim 1 gem. In my case, I claimed 3 gems because there's a promotion that if you have more than 20 AMX tokens in your Passport wallet, then you will get 3 instead of 1. So that is very important. I think these gems are one of the really important things that you can do, and you can claim this daily. So hold more than 20 AMX in your Passport Immutable wallet and you will get 3 per day instead of 1. Step 5 is, besides using the toolkit of Immutable, you can use other apps to swap and to provide liquidity. So here is the important link for zkEVM reward. So once you are here, you can get your gems. If you already did, you can see the upcoming events, so you can sign up for rewards too, and you can pre-register for this later event. And down here you can see you can be active on chain, will get you rewarded. So we already covered the Immutable toolkit, but you can go directly to LayerSwap and transact there. You can go to QuickSwap also and go to WrapGate. So recommend you to interact with these applications. And down here, this is also important, you can provide liquidity to get your bounty, so you can use Merc or Gamma for the liquidity pool reward. Remember, in the other protocols here you can swap tokens, and here you will be able to enter liquidity. And point 6 is that you can buy and sell NFTs. This is going to get you a lot of points. So here is the link also on the rewards page. Down here you can buy selling NFTs on Immutable zkEVM will get you loot. So here you can go to the marketplace and go to the reward. So in this page of the rewards, you can see here I have 0 points left to collect. What this is going to do is that you can see here down here the eligible collections that works for this. These are the reward tiers. So if you buy or sell NFTs from these ranges of money, this is the amount of points that you can collect, and those points are going to be rewarded in AMX tokens. Down here you can check on how it works. So this is the trades NFTs that are available to do, and all the rules are here, guys, so you can check the rules to get your points. And there's a maximum reward daily of 5100 here, so this way you can collect the points buying or selling NFTs. Now the point 7 is that you can play the main quest games. Here in the blog you are going to see this page. So this was posted the 29th of April. If you scroll down a little bit, you are going to see here the main quest game lineup. So these are the first games showing in the main quest. So these are the ones that you can use to get rewards. Blast Royale, Guild of Guardians, and all these 10 games are going to participate on this reward program. So check this page and you can use this game. Now point 8, showing our social networks. Here you have the Twitter and the website. But why I mentioned that? Well, that was important mentioning here on your rewards on the passport that says following our socials would be wise. So showing the Discord, showing the Twitter, show all the networks, so showing all the social networks that you can. So probably in the Discord and Telegram you will find more information daily besides the Twitter that is full of information. And point 9, I put here the link for the airdrop campaign details, so everything you will find it there too for more details. So these are all the things that you can do right now using your Immutable passport to participate on the Immutable zkEVM airdrop. Like I say, there are a couple of details that are a little complex. For example, using the games to get more rewards is something that you cannot falsificate or farm easily. The same for the use of the passport, you need to connect to a valid email there. And for many of the other things, you may need funds on your Immutable zkEVM in order to transact. So yeah, I think this is a great opportunity to do one of these big airdrops. We don't have exact dates on when we are going to be rewarded on many parts of this airdrop. So yeah, Immutable is the biggest blockchain for airdrop, guys and girls, so don't doubt to get into this airdrop. And if you need more details or want to ask me something, remember that I have my subscriptions. You can contact me on my private Discord. We are a big community there, 500 people with many experts there that will go in to help you a lot if you are new into airdrop, or even if you are an expert farmer, you are going to find many channels with useful information for you. We not only cover new airdrops but also day-to-day claim airdrops, so you don't miss any of the claims, and of course thousands of valuable information daily that we of course cannot cover in YouTube. And besides the Discord for airdrops and crypto, I have an application that will help you a lot to apply to airdrops like this one in one or multiple wallets with different locations, and also You have reminders, you can put comments, you can use a lot the application to keep control of your airdrop progress and everything that you need to do, because an Excel file, guys, is going to help you for a while, but if you apply to hundreds and hundreds of airdrops like I do, you will be lost at some point. So my application is a game changer for that. That will be all for this video. Immutable zkEVM using your immutable passport is the way to go. If you enjoyed the video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notification. Follow me on Twitter at CryptoCState so you have live action announcements and things of the things that I am doing on the airdrop world. And of course, please share this video to anyone that wants to participate in airdrop, and you can retweet the post of this airdrop. And to check all the different links that I put it here on this Excel, all this information is always in the description. You will see a URL that says videos links here that will send you to my website, to my post, where you have all this information organized. That will be all, and I see you in the next video. Bye.